we have learnt that conjunction means joining together. So, a conjunction is a joining word that is used for joining together sentences, words and groups of words. Let us learn about some new conjunctions today. Let us read the two sentences. My elder brother had read the book. He said so. Said is a reporting verb. What did my elder brother say? He said he had read the book. So, how will we join the two sentences? We will use the conjunction that. So, our new sentence will be, my elder brother said that he had read the book. So, what are we seeing? That is often used with reporting verbs and mental verbs. Said is the reporting verb here. So, what is that doing here? It is actually joining said, the reporting verb, with what the brother said. Now, when we join the sentence, we could not have written that he said that my elder brother had read the book. It does not make any sense. So, we have started the sentence my elder brother and we have put the pronoun he when we join. Now, let us read these two sentences. The view of the sunrise was magnificent. The travelers agreed. What is agreed? Agreed is a mental verb. So, if we have to join both the sentences, what did the travelers agree upon? They agreed on the view of the sunrise was magnificent. So, what are we going to join? We are going to join the mental verb agreed with what they agreed upon. So, how will we join the two sentences? We will use the conjunction that, and our new sentence will be, the travelers agreed that the view of the sunrise was magnificent. So, what is that doing here? That is the conjunction which is joining the mental verb agreed with what they agreed upon. The view of the sunrise was magnificent. Now, let us read these two sentences. She is sure she will win the race. So, what is the second sentence telling us? She will win the race. It is telling us what she is sure about. Sure is an adjective. So, how will we join both the sentences now? We will use the conjunction that. Our new sentence will be, she is sure that she will win the race. So, what are we seeing? That is often used after adjectives to express opinions and feelings. What is happening here? That is used after adjectives to express an opinion or a feeling. What is the opinion? She will win the race. It's a strong feeling that she will win the race. So, we are saying that is used as a conjunction here. Now, let us read these two sentences. You are going to do well in the exam. It is my belief. So, the second sentence is telling us that she has a strong feeling, a strong opinion, her belief. And what is the belief? Her student is going to do well in the exam. So, how will we join both these sentences? We will use the conjunction that, and our new sentence will be, it is my belief that you are going to do well in the exam. So what are we seeing? That is often used after nouns to express opinions and feelings about certainty or possibility. Here, that is the conjunction which is being used after nouns to express opinion and feelings. What is the opinion? You are going to do well in the exam. Now let us read these two sentences. I will visit your place next time. It is a promise. So what is the promise? I will visit your place next time. So it is a strong belief. So how will we join both the sentences? We will use the conjunction that, and our new sentence will be, it is a promise that I will visit your place next time. So that is a conjunction which is joining the strong feeling promise with what the promise is. So here we are seeing that is often used after nouns. What is the noun here? Promise is the noun. To express opinions and feelings. What is the opinion and the feeling? I will visit your place next time. Now, can you join the following sentences using that? What are the sentences? The ice glaciers are melting rapidly. It is alarming. What is alarming? The ice glaciers are melting rapidly. Alarming is showing us a strong feeling or a strong possibility. So, how will we join both the sentences? We will use the conjunction that, and our new sentence will be, it is alarming that the ice glaciers are melting rapidly. Here, that is placed after the adjective alarming. So today we have learned about some uses of the conjunction that. So where are the places we can use that? We can use that with reporting verbs, with mental verbs, after nouns or after adjectives to express strong opinions or feelings. We can also use that after nouns and adjectives to show opinions and feelings. We will soon learn about some more conjunctions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com or download the DeltaStep app to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStation, iPad, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So learning at DeltaStep is not just fun and easy, it is also rewarding. So register for free now.